Mastering zero conditional. Turning negatives into positives. Hello, dear learners. Today we are going to dive deep into an exciting part of English grammar, the zero conditional. Specifically, we will be focusing on how to use the zero conditional in negative sentences. Remember, the zero conditional is used to express a general truth or a fact that always happens under certain conditions. Now, let's understand how we use the zero conditional in negative sentences. The structure is typically like this: if plus present simple, present simple. However, in the negative form, we add not in the clause to convey a negative meaning. So, the structure becomes if plus present simple, do, does not plus base verb. For instance, we might say, if you don't heat ice, it doesn't melt. Here, don't heat and doesn't melt are negative forms in the present simple tense. Let's go through some more examples to ensure we understand this concept well. 1. If you don't water plants, they don't grow. This means that it's a general truth that plants won't grow if they're not watered. 2. If it doesn't rain, the ground isn't wet. Here, we're expressing that the ground being wet is contingent on it raining, which is a general fact. Notice how these negative sentences still express a universal fact or general truth, which is the essence of the zero conditional. Now, it's your turn to practice. Try making your own zero conditional negative sentences. Remember the structure: if plus present simple, do, does not plus base verb. Here are a few prompts to help you get started. 1. What happens if you don't study for an exam? 2. What's the outcome if we don't recycle plastic? 3. What occurs if a bird doesn't migrate before winter? Take your time, write your sentences, and then check them with our structure. Remember, practice makes perfect. There you have it. Now you understand how to use the zero conditional in negative sentences. It might seem tricky at first, but with consistent practice, you'll master it in no time. We hope this video has been helpful in your English grammar journey. Stay tuned for more exciting grammar topics. Keep practicing, and remember, even negatives can turn into positives with the right grammar. Happy learning!